Now, one of the biggest challenges in real estate is helping people make confident decisions when the information around them is incomplete, emotional, or misleading. RE Navigator is a tool that Seaport built together with Lola to solve that exact problem. Now, it was designed as a massive value add for both consumers and agents. It takes real data, real assumptions, and real scenarios and translates them into clarity. Instead of focusing only on price, RE Navigator helps evaluate decisions through affordability, long-term cost, opportunity cost, and risk. For agents, it brings structure and confidence to the advisory process. And for clients, it replaces noise with understanding, allowing them to move forward knowing why a decision makes sense. This is definitely not a tool you're expected to figure out on your own. We strongly encourage you to set a time to train on RE Navigator. So please use the shared calendars to schedule a session with me, and feel free to create a meeting and invite the entire team. These sessions tend to be collaborative, practical, and extremely valuable. At Seaport, we don't just provide tools, we support how they're used. RE Navigator is about guiding, educating, and protecting the people who trust us with their decisions.